As the steam locomotive rumbles across the bridge, in my painting, let me take you back to the late 19th century, to a place not far from St. Louis, Missouri. The legend of the St. Louis ghost train begins. On a foggy autumn night in 1890, a steam locomotive known as the Midnight Express was making its regular trip across the countryside. On this particular night, the train was running late. And the engineer was determined to make up for lost time. As the train approached a rickety old bridge over the ravine known as Black Hollow, the fog grew thicker, reducing visibility to nearly nothing. The engineer, named Samuel Thompson, had driven this route countless times and felt confident he could navigate the bridge even in these conditions. However, as the train entered the bridge, something strange happened. Witnesses later claimed they saw a ghostly figure standing in the middle of the bridge, dressed in an old conductor's uniform. Some say it was the spirit of an old conductor who had died tragically in a train accident at this very spot years before. Suddenly, the train's brakes screeched. It came to an abrupt halt in the middle of the bridge. Samuel swore he saw the ghostly figure, motioning him to stop. Moments later, the bridge began to creak and groan and gave way. The train teetered on the edge, but miraculously did not plunge into the ravine below. The passengers were all safely evacuated. When they examined the bridge, they discovered it had suffered structural damage and would have led to a catastrophic collapse if the train had continued. To this day, there are reports of a ghostly figure appearing on the bridge, especially on foggy nights. So, as you watch this steam locomotive cross the bridge, in my painting, remember the legend of the St. Louis ghost train. And the mysterious figure who guided the train to safety. In the dead of night.